Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the pure substance. This is the topic of class 9 chapter 2. So for the knowledge of all previous topics and chapter 1, chapter 8 and all continuous topics, you have to first subscribe Krishna classes and press the like button. Let's start the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Pure substance. I also described in my previous video what is the pure substance, what is the mixture. So for detailed knowledge you have to watch that videos. So here pure substance is divided into elements and compound. Elements and compound. Pure substance is divided into elements and compound on the basis of chemical composition. It means on the basis of chemical composition. What is the chemical composition of pure substance? On the basis of that composition, pure substance divided into two categories, elements and compounds. First is element. Robert Boyle in 1661. Robert Boyle in 1661 first described the term element. Robert Boyle in 1661 first used this term element. It means who said first time element? Robert Boyle. In which year? 1661. Anthony Laurent Loiser, 1743 to 1994. Anthony Laurent Loiser, 1743 to 94. First established an experiment. Useful definition and give the useful definition. It means who gave the definition of element? Anthony Laurent Loiser in 1743 to 94 first established the experiment, then gave the definition of element. What is the definition he gave? Which elements are that which cannot be broken into simpler substance of chemical reaction. It means elements are that which cannot be broken into simpler substance of chemical reaction. This is the definition of elements. And what is the compound? Now come on the compound. A compound is a substance composed of two or more. It means a compound is a substance composed of two or more elements, that is called the compound. Okay, so this is the element and this is the compound. And elements further divided into three categories. First is metals, second is non-metals and third is metalloids. So metals, example of metal is gold, silver, etc. Non-metal, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Metalloids, boron, silicon, etc. So these are the metals, non-metals and metalloids. This is the part of element and this is the compound. So what is the metal, what is the non-metal and what is the metalloids and their properties, I will describe in my next class. So hope you understand today's topic very well. I repeat again, what is the element? Element is which cannot be broken into simpler substance of chemical reaction. First given the term Robert Boyle in 1661. Again Anthony Laurent Loiser in 1743 to 1743 to 94 first established an experiment and gave the definition. And further divided into elements three categories: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Example metals gold, silver, etc. Non-metals hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Metalloids boron, silicon, etc. And what is the compound? A compound is the substance composed of two or more elements. So hope you understand this topic very well. You can take a screenshot and also write your notebook. So this is the today's class. Thank you so much for class.